Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Taylor, and this will be a guided meditation designed to slow down. And that is a phrase often heard in the yoga community, whether for a yoga practice or a meditation. But today's meditation is specifically focused on slowing down the physical body, our nervous system, our blood flow, our breath, our mind, the physical things, the brain, all of these things will be slowing down. So find a comfortable seat, whatever that means to you and your body. You might even want to lay down. And once you get settled, close your eyes and let's dive in. First, begin by taking 3 rounds of breath, the fullest inhales and the deepest exhales that you found. Return to your natural rhythm of breath. Let your shoulders roll back slightly. And before we do any kind of shifting or changing in the physical body, notice first how it is in this moment. Use the light of your consciousness and shine it throughout the body. Check in with your adrenals. Check in with your different nervous systems. Check in with your lungs. All of those supportive organs in your belly. Shine the light on all of your joints. Just notice how everything is as you step into this moment. You may feel a buzz or a tingle. You may feel heat or excitement moving through the body. You may feel calm, at ease. You may feel all of your physical waters to be still. Once you have a basic understanding, a basic feel for how your body is at the beginning, let's dive into the breath. We're going to inhale for a count of 4 and exhale for a count of 6. By the end of the 4, ideally your lungs are full. By the end of the 6, ideally your lungs are empty. I'll guide you through the first few rounds, and then take your rhythm your way. Begin first by exhaling all of the air out of your lungs. Once you reach the bottom, inhale 4, 3, 2, 1, fill up. Exhale for 6, 5, slow breath out, 4, 3, 2, all the way out, 1. Inhale a little faster, a little fuller, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it away. Keep flowing with your breath. Keep the light of your consciousness focused on your breath. Notice and allow for each round to take you a little bit deeper. As you move deeper, your vibration is slower. We have just a few more moments of moving through this pranayama. If you feel a rise or a quickening in your body because you know the end of the breath is coming, I invite you to dive deeper and slower and lower rather than higher. Allow your breath to carry you further into your presence and into your peace. Last round of inhaling for 4. And exhaling for 6. And once your lungs are emptied, release any hold on your prana. Let it flow naturally. Let it flow slowly. Begin to shift your focus just slightly outside of your personal bubble. You may have noticed that the world around you has matched your internal slowness. Whether you live in a busy city or on an isolated mountaintop, do you notice the impact that your individual slowness has rippled out into your environment? Can you feel the peace that now surrounds you? Trust that this peace is always available to you and always starts from within you. Draw the awareness back now into your bubble, into your personal space, and notice your body. This time, rather than noticing the body with your mind or your consciousness, notice the body with the body. Feel your skin. Feel as your skin, feeling your clothes, your cushion. Notice the softness, notice the warmth, notice the support. Feel your brain as your brain. You may take an additional moment here to breathe any physical tension away from the mind. Bring the awareness, when you're ready, down into your heart. Feel as your heart. And without moving your hands, can you feel your heart beat? Can you extend that further and feel your heart pumping your blood through the body? Slowly, deeply, and fully. Feel your lungs as your lungs. Feel your belly. Feel your intestines. And continue this process all the way through. Once you've moved through the body, as the body, keep your eyes closed and slowly move your hands to your heart. Place one hand flat on your chest and the other hand flat on top of it, as if you were holding your heart in your hands. We'll wrap up our meditation with the mantra. You are welcome to repeat aloud or think it thoroughly in your mind. I create the time to slow down. My peace begins from within me. I create the time to slow down. My peace begins from within me. May you move slowly and gently through the remainder of your day. Namaste.